how to record calls on iPhone running iOS 26. Now first, on the home screen, we need to go into settings, and in settings we scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. After that, we scroll down, then tap on phone, and from here scroll down, then we go to calls, and in here tap on audio call recording. Now you want to make sure this is turned on, so tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then we go back to the home screen. Now during a call, when you want to start recording a phone call, tap on the more button, then tap on call recording, and it will wait for 3 seconds and will announce to both parties that this call is being recorded, and the call will be saved into your Notes app. So it is now recording. You make sure you turn on the microphone so that you can speak, and when you finish you can tap on the stop button to stop the call recording, and then you can tap on the end button. Now to view the call, you can tap on your notepad, and now just end the call first, and then we'll go back to the notepad. In here you can see it will save your audio into your note, and you can tap on the play button to play the audio. It will save the audio as well as the transcript in the note. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.